Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. Today I will be giving you a very important tip with regard to UPSC Civil Service Examination to be held within 2 days. Now the tip is very important. Why? Because it is related to when you are sitting in the examination, when you are attempting your MCQs at that time, this particular tip will be very useful. And if you are able to follow this tip properly and trick properly, you will definitely have the success and you will crack your GS paper for sure. Now, after carefully analyzing the previous year question papers of UPSC and overall my experience of 8+ years, what I have found is UPSC is majorly involved with regard to twisting of some prepositions, some conjunctions, some superlatives, and you can say some nouns. That's all about it. Nothing more than that. Because the subject is very much limited, the syllabus is very much limited, they don't have anything to go beyond it. What actually they do is to play with your mind. That's all. So that things like they are concentrating, I'll tell you in a bit very properly by taking the questions, but I'll tell you orally what actually they are playing with our mind. Suppose president related question is there. So instead of president, they will mention what Prime Minister or Chief Justice of India. If suppose a scheme is launched for 8 states, they will say that it is a pan-India scheme. Or 8 states are there, they will not include one state in that. Or else they will say that directly benefit, indirectly benefit. Instead of all the farmers, they may say that only small and marginal farmers. Okay, so just imagine the point here. They are just twisting what? Larger area, smaller area, India is a member or not, India is a founding member or not. That kind of questions are being, that kind of statements are being twisted, and the questions are very simple. But if you know this particular tricks, then you are definitely getting the success in the examination. Let us now see with regard to the questions and whatever we are able to do in the examination. Now you can see here what UPSC asked in 2024 prelims paper, 2 largest. And you can see that increase or decrease whatever I have told you. India is one of the World Toilet Organization is one of the agency of United Nations or not. And if you go on seeing here is there is no minimum capital requirement, no minimum capital. So they may say that no, 50% capital requirement is there. That is what I am talking about. The syllabus is limited. That is the reason they are playing with what? Prepositions, conjunctions, nouns, verbs. That's all about it. So when you are going into the examination, make sure that you are able to concentrate all of these words in the prelims paper. Superlatives, increase, decrease, pan-India, pilot project, change in the ministry. They may say that this scheme is launched by Ministry of Labour, but actually it is Ministry of Social Justice and Welfare. Could be change in the statutory body. They may say that it is because of Niti Aayog, but actually it is because of NHIA whatsoever. Okay, the nouns, president, instead of they will mention what Prime Minister or CM or governor, small and marginal, or they may say that all the farmers, time bond scheme, or a scheme is applicable only for a one period of time. And introduction year of the scheme is also important here to make it little bit tricky. Applicable to only rural areas, applicable only to youth, applicable to both the areas, rural and urban areas. This is also important. And don't forget the very famous find the correct and incorrect code. This is also very important. I also want to bring to the notice of all of you is that there are one-liners, as I have been telling in my mentorship sessions to all the students, and I generally say to each and everyone that one-liners will be around 15 questions will be coming, which is nothing but 30 marks you can get from one-liners. You can see that in 2024 prelims UPSC paper, one-liners are what? Just 37 one-liner, 38 one-liner, 39 one-liner, 40 one-liner, and you also have here you can see 45th one-liner. I have just got 4-5 in just 2-3 pages. I have not even checked from the very beginning the first page. So there are around 15 to 20 one-liners are there. Make sure that you concentrate on one-liner. That is a factual things. This is the mentorship program that I am talking about. Here you will be taught how to combat the confusions, how to combat the failures, academic features of my mentorship is what, and how I am going to assess your performance with regard to mains. So all those students who wanted to be a part of this mentorship program, do join it. It is going to be the game changer for your preparation, not only for the UPSC but also for the state PSC. take the screenshot of it, try to read all the features, and if you have any doubts, connect to me on this particular number. You will be definitely able to crack the examination, and mains is also coming after this. So answer writing practice, you will become what extraordinary in that. That's my promise to all of you. Thanks a lot to hearing me. Do share this as much as possible to all the aspirants, and do concentrate on all the important words that I have given to you. Take care. Bye bye.